You founded the company 30 years ago. What was the reason behind the foundation?
Well, back in '91, I was a young, ambitious engineer and eventually found out that there's a market for a small or medium-sized product, a crusher that could serve smaller companies, work there, building debris, and make a profitable product out of this.
That sounds challenging. What were the challenges during that time?
Well, the challenges were quite obvious. There was no comparison for a product like this on the market. And we had very little money, no resources at all. So it was like a garage company in these days. But luckily I found Heinz Young. He was our chief engineer from the very first beginning, and together with him we built the RM50. That was the first product we could sell and got some revenues.
How was it perceived by the competition and the other stakeholders?
Well, the concept of the RM50 was very well received by the customers. It was a bit too small, wasn't really capable when it came to concrete and rock, but was a sort of a proof of concept. So we brought it back to the design board and designed the RM60. And the RM60 actually met the requirements of the industry and was a great success in the early stages.
How was the business internationally expanded?
Well, this happened in '95, '96 when we brought the RM60 to the market. And with the success of the RM60, we felt ready to go international. The first markets were Germany and UK, and even in this competitive markets, we could sell quite some numbers. The customers liked our innovative, our young and entrepreneurial approach and liked the service we were providing.
And how did it continue then?
Well, going international is quite demanding, so we built the company. We did quite some organizational engineering in these early days and went to new markets in Europe and abroad. And next step actually was then in the early 2000s USA. So we see RM80, with the design of the RM80, with this product that was bigger than the previous machines and the crawler type machines, we felt brave enough and ready to go to US. And the first dealer in US was actually Alan Huber, and he was kind enough to purchase the product, run it, service it, and became our dealer later on. But even with the first success, we had very little resources. I couldn't afford sales reps, so our customers actually were selling the first machines. They liked the product, so they told others, and they were a very good testimonial for the product. But even by growing our network on dealers and customers, we were pretty much flying under the radar screen. On the market, nobody took us serious. Our product was considered to be a toy, too small for the markets. And this is why we could grow without any intervention, and we didn't have any competition at all in the early stages. So from that early stages, we were growing the company in numbers, in the amount of dealers, and the amount of customers, but they all feel like being part of our family. It's still the RM Group family. And this is why we got more and better customers, dealers and employees than any other brand.